about today's video. यार ये 2024 के ट्रॉमास एम्प्टीज खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है कंटेंट इधर का. I have been waiting for YouTube to get its life together and stop talking about 2024 and finally accept it's 25. But नहीं, आपको तो वही वीडियोस ट्रेंडी पे दिखने हैं जहाँ पे आपको 24 के फेवरेट्स देखने हैं, एम्प्टीज देखने हैं, ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना. तो you know what? I gave in, and yes, here I am today sitting in front of you about to rather share with you some of my 2024 empties. And trust me, बहुत बड़ी थैली है and I have a lot of empties that I want to quickly run you through and just let you know if I would rather buy, not to buy, what is my opinion, because I mean I've clearly emptied these. तो मेरे बहुत strong opinions है. And yes, if you like these kind of fun content then definitely subscribe करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. And yes, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. To start off with, जनहित में जारी आपके पैसे बचाओ. अगर आप मिनीसो में जा रहे हो, अगर आपको ये दिखता है आपके पैसे बचाओ, बिकॉज सबसे पहले जब मैंने खरीदा था ये नो स्ट्रिप फ्रॉम मिनीसो, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था. आई नो इट्स एनवायरमेंटली नॉट द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, बट यार कभी कभी यू जस्ट फील लाइक यू नो गिविंग इन टू द ट्रेंड एंड जस्ट फील गुड प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई रियली लाइक इट एंड इट वाज अ गुड डील. सेकेंड टाइम एंड थर्ड टाइम, ये दो बार जब मैंने खरीदा इस प्रोडक्ट को, आई विल टेल यू माई इशू, रादर आई विल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट माई इशू. दिस वॉज अ ब्रांड न्यू पैक एंड एज यू कैन सी मैंने यहाँ पे एक नो स्ट्रिप ली है. एंड where is the glue? And now I know you'll be like, अरे रीना मे बी एक फॉल्टी होगा, इतने सारे जो तुमको मिले हैं वो सारे वैसे कैसे हो सकते हैं? Trust me, that's what I would think about people, कि सारे लोग बुरे कैसे हो सकते हैं. But you know what? The world is a cruel place and I don't know where I'm taking this conversation, but I'm just trying to prove a point कि लिटरली ये सारे के सारे बिल्कुल स्टिक नहीं हो रहे हैं एंड इट्स अ कंप्लीट वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. एंड दिस इज द सेकेंड टाइम एंड ये 170 रुपीज़ का है जिसमें आपको 20 स्ट्रिप्स मिलते हैं. सो प्लीज़ इफ यू सी दिस, रन अवे. इतना द्वेष व्यक्त करने के बाद मैं जाने वाली हूँ टू समथिंग दैट आई रियली एंजॉयड. एंड स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, I mean, you knew this day was coming and trust me, मुझे एक साल लगा है इसको खत्म करने. If you don't know this, this is the glycolic acid which is 7% and it's from the House of Ordinary and oh my god, I love this product. It's a multitasking product. आप इसको scalp में use करो, underarms में use करो, skin पे use करो, face पे use करो. This is a versatile product and everybody, trust me, everybody needs to buy this. And no, I'm not convinced with the Pixie one or any other brand's glycolic acid because this 7% just does it for me. I don't want anything less than 7. I don't want anything more than 7. 7 is just doing the trick for me. So I'm gonna stick with the 7. Alright. After which, oh my god, this product went viral on the internet. This product has more following and views than I do as an individual. And that kind of hurts. But you know what? I finally gave into the trend. And while, yes, I absolutely love this product. It's from the House of Plum Body Loving and it's their Caramello lotion. I of course went with the mini one because again I'm trying to be mindful with my consumption. Long story short, I love the scent on this. It's very sweet, very caramelly. You know the drill by now. I know everybody has tried this. In terms of the product itself, it is moisturizing but not moisturizing enough for winters, which is why I would not be repurchasing this for winters, but definitely for summers, for monsoon, when the climate is just doing its bit. I know it's much more humid than it is in winters. I would love to go ahead and grab this, and especially pairs beautifully if you are someone who's into vanilla fragrances or just sweet scents in general. I have my days when I am that person and that girly, and yeah, on those days like that, this pairs beautifully. But overall, it's a really nice product and definitely worth the buy. Next up on the list we have is this baby right here. It's from the House of Streaks and this is their hairspray, but not the kind that you are thinking. It's a serum hairspray and to start off with, it was really inexpensive and I thought it's a gimmicky product, like ye kya hi kar lega. It was so cheap that I gave into this product thinking ki ye kya hi kar lega, but to my surprise guys, this is an amazing product. एक Schwarzkopf का भी spray serum आता है. I feel it's a really nice dupe to that. It's half the price of that and this really hydrates my hair. It helps me remove any tangles, any frizz. At the same time guys, this makes my hair smell like salon type hair and that is a non-negotiable for me. I love the way this makes my hair feel and smell. I mean, it's just too good to be true. I like to use this on nights before braiding and combing my hair, या फिर in mornings when I'm really in a rush, I don't know what to do with my hair, it's looking really out of place, I like to go ahead and use this. So definitely worth a try. We have some skincare empties. To start off with, we have the Foxtail Moisturizer moisturizer, and this is their skin repair and nourishing moisturizer. Now I got this specifically for my mom because she has mature dry skin, and I mean, to say the least, you can see it is pretty much over. But I mean, I very honestly used it only maybe 3 to 4 times जब उसका बहुत कम product बच गया था, because I didn't expect my mom to run out of this that quick. Now the reason she ran out of this very quick is because this is not as hydrating as one would like, especially for winters, especially for dry skin. Maybe this is a great moisturizer for oily skin in winters or oily skin in general, but as a dry skin type, this didn't do much for my mom, which is why she ended up using much more than required. And even when I was using this underneath my makeup, it was beautiful, but it wasn't hydrating enough. So for me, honestly, it's a definite pass. Next up we have ta-ta-ta-ta! Can you believe this is my second empty, and it's from the House of Minimalist, and it's their Bond Repair Serum Situation, which is their Melic Bond Repair Complex. That's the official name of it. And I mean, I bought this second time, guys. Do I need to say any more things about it? Because I literally told you I bought this second time, and there is going to be a third and a fourth and a fifth, because this is that one product that literally saved my hair, especially with all of the coloring and all of the treatments. Well, honestly, just coloring that I have put my hair throughout the year. This is something that really prevented any breakage in my hair, any dryness in my hair. The way I like to use this is just apply this 30 minutes before my hair wash, and just apply it on the lengths and not the roots. Tie up your hair, do your ritual, and then hop in the shower, wash your hair like you would normally do, and boy, will your hair look shiny, tangle free and frizz free. And that for me was a big point. मेरे लिए तो ये personally मेरा एक monthly weekly routine है, जब मैं 10 दिन में एक बार तो उसको use करती हूँ. So depending on your hair condition and how frizzy and how tangly your hair gets, you can definitely consider using this. And I am telling you guys, there is no going back once you use this. Can we talk about perfumes? Because I am impressed. I am physically impressed with I finally finishing this, you guys. अगर आपने मेरा perfume recommendations, rather body mist recommendation देखा होगा, आपको पता है how much I love this scent. This is from the House of Pure Essence, and it's their macadamia scent, and this took me forever. It took me forever to finish, but boy, are we here today. It's a beautiful scent. It's macadamia, straight up very nutty, very grunge, but also at the same time very, very relaxing and calming. So I would love to use this on days when I'm feeling more anxious, a little more stressed. It would really calm down. If you're someone who's into aromatherapy and just believe in, scents that can actually calm down your trigger points and your anxiety, then definitely something to consider, because it definitely significantly helped me in those aspects. At the same time, this does last very long. So I mean, it's a win-win situation. आराम से ये 3-4 घंटे last करता है. अगर आपको इसके ऊपर more detailed review चाहिए तो definitely मेरा वो body mist वाला video आप देख सकते हैं. I'll leave a link in the description and up on the screen. Wow, I think मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही fast बोल रही हूँ, but let me know guys, because आजकल मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला है यार रीना तुम बहुत fast बोलती हो, which I honestly thought was a compliment for the most part, but now I'm reconsidering. So let me know. But with that being said, let's move on to the next empty, and it's from the House of Nykaa Beauty. Well, of course आपका बर्थडे लास्ट ईयर तो हुआ ही होगा, and अगर आपने नायका से शॉपिंग की, ये आपको पक्का गिफ्ट में मिला है. ये पक्का आपको गिफ्ट में मिला, बिकॉज मैंने इतने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के बर्थडे मंथ के हॉल में नायका का गिफ्ट में ये आइटम देखा था, एंड दिस इज देयर लव स्टक बॉडी लोशन. नाउ टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इट्स अ रियली नाइस बॉडी लोशन. कंसिस्टेंसी वाइज ये जो प्लम का था वो ज्यादा मॉइस्चराइजिंग नहीं था कंपेयर टू दिस, बिकॉज दिस वाज लाइक अ प्रॉपर बॉडी क्रीम, whereas this was like more thinner, more lotion type consistency. So winters के लिए भाई ये तो मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया पसंद आया. Also in terms of fragrance, it was very nice, very mild, very gentle, almost very powdery, like Pond's का जो scent है, very that way. So it paired again beautifully with my fragrances that I was layering. But I would personally love a combination जहाँ पे इसका सुगंध, if I may, and इसकी consistency अगर मिल जाए तो क्या बात होगा. But yeah, it was a nice body lotion as a body lotion. I think this is great for winters, and you should definitely check out Nykaa's collection. Overall, personally, of the scent, not bad, good, but I deserve better. It's kind of that. But yeah, regardless, really nice product. And if you are in the market looking out for a good body cream, then definitely consider. Next up, we have another plum empty, and it is their vitamin C in 15%. Oh my god, इसके इतने सारे मैंने रिव्यूज सुने थे कि यार ट्राई तो करना था. एंड वेरी ऑनेस्टली, अभी तक मैंने जितने भी विटामिन सी ट्राई किए ना, बिफोर आई कुड एवर फिनिश इट, लाइक ओ वाओ, ओ there was product in there. I mean, a little bit. But yeah, जितना भी मैंने अभी तक product use किया है, वो खत्म होने के पहले ना वो ऑक्सीडाइज होता जा, मीनिंग कि आप उसको यूज नहीं कर सकते, वो एकदम बहुत डार्क होगा, एंड इफ दैट यू अप्लाई ऑन योर स्किन इट विल गिव यू मोर रिएक्शंस देन डूइंग एनी गुड फॉर योर स्किन. एंड दिस इज द ओनली विटामिन सी सीरम जो मैंने पूरा कंप्लीट किया है नाउ क्लियरली, बिकॉज मैंने उसको ड्रॉप भी किया, that I was able to use from the top. At the same time, this was very effective. Now trigger point is it did give me a little bit of purging meaning क्या होता है, कभी कभी पता है कोई प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करते हो वो काम तो आपकी स्किन के लिए अच्छा करते हैं बट वो सारी इम्प्योरिटीज आपकी स्किन से निकालते हैं. सो इनिशियली आपकी स्किन ब्रेकआउट होती है बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट एज यू कंटिन्यू टू यूज दैट प्रोडक्ट इट ऑल्सो सेटल्स डाउन दैट इरिटेशन एंड दैट पर्जिंग ऑफ योर स्किन. तो every time I used it and I stopped using this and I used it again, I noticed that sense of purging, but again the goodness that it was doing to my skin, it felt like it was worth it, but I had to be mindful as to when I'm using it. Either I would use it in continuity and कुछ होगा नहीं, but मेरे पास इतने products होते थे कि कभी कभी मैं इसके बारे में भूल जाती थी. So maybe if I'm using it after a month or two, then I would start purging again. And I don't know if you can see, because I was trying to finish this for this video, थोड़ा सा purging मुझे अभी वापस से हो गया है. So that is the only thing that I experience, and I'm personally not somebody with sensitive skin. So अगर आपकी sensitive skin है तो आपको थोड़ा और mindful रहना पड़ेगा, but overall as a vitamin C बहुत अच्छा है. It definitely reduced my dark spots, gave me a nice glow, even skin tone, and I mean it's just too good and something that I really like. because अगर इसका पैकेजिंग भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज आप देख सकते हो ये डार्क बॉटल में आता है, एंड जो बाकी विटामिन सीज होते हैं आई डोंट नो व्हाई brands think it is okay to have them in a white glass, because जैसे ही sunlight hit होती है, no matter मैं अपने vanity में रखूँ ना रखूँ, it is easier for the vitamin C to oxidize in those clear bottles versus in a dark bottle like this. So really appreciate Plum for their mindful packaging and an amazing product. Alright, moving forward we have some mascaras, and yes, I said some and not one because ta-da! I finished 3 mascaras and I'm so proud of myself for doing this. To start off with, we have 2 Mars mascaras that I'm going to talk first briefly. To start off with, we have the Mars 2-in-1 mascara, which by the way somehow people then figured कि अरे इसमें 2 अलग wands तो है ही नहीं, इसमें एक ही wand है. And as you can see, yeah, so when they say it's a 2-in-1 mascara, it's actually just 1 wand and 2 different formulas. But then I'm also like, where is the formula? So the fact that this was a gimmicky product, and false advertisement, I don't approve, I don't appreciate. That was my biggest turn off. After which, if I'm talking about the product itself, it was an okay product. Honestly, it was an okay product. No, अलग से इसने और कुछ नहीं किया, and that was a bigger bummer. But of course, in terms of removing the product, it was very easy. Also, at the same time, while it was easy to remove, it was also water resistant / waterproof. मतलब मुझे कभी भी ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि मैं बारिश में गई हूँ and my makeup is like ruined because of my mascara. So yes, it is waterproof, at the same time easy to remove. So if you're looking out for like a casual mascara, you don't care about it volumizing or lengthening, you just want something to blacken your eyelashes, which looks not bad if I may, and is easy to remove, at the same time is waterproof, definitely consider this. The next Mars mascara, which was actually sent to me in PR from the House of Mars, and I don't know this is their what range, but this is the cheapest mascara if I'm not wrong. If you see this, run away, run in the opposite direction, because first of all the wand is so huge. Like मतलब ये क्या है, ये इतना thick क्यों है, and at the same time this is one of those consistencies जो इतनी clumpy है, इतनी thick है, no matter what I do. एक तो मेरी आंखें छोटी है, तो every time I apply this ना, it's always on my eyelids, in my eyebrows, just everywhere, and my lashes. So personally not a big fan of the formula, the wand, and just everything that it did to my lashes, making it clumpy. It screamed cheap mascara. Like I've had my friends call out to me that why is your lashes looking clumpy, and my friend, I know for a fact that this did me dirty. So yeah, I'm not a big fan, definitely a skip. Lastly, a mascara that I did end up finishing. I'm not sure अगर आपको ये अभी भी मिलता है. It's from the House of Wet n Wild, and this is their step 1 and 3. And step 2 जो इसके साथ आता था वो एक lash fiber था. It's right here. So it came in this duo, and I still love this lash fiber. It gives me nice volume, and you just apply 1 coat of any mascara, then put this, and then put another coat of mascara, and oh my god, your lashes look bomb. So yeah, ये lash fiber अभी भी है, and this however is something that I've finished up as a duo. Really loved it, really worth investing. I wish we could get lash fibers like this in the Indian market. I don't think हमें अभी भी ऐसे कुछ individual में मिलता है. तो if you find this duo, definitely get this just for this. This on its own was really not bad. It was a good mascara, nothing extraordinary. It was a good mascara. I think this costs around 700-800, but I think you're paying mostly for this rather than this, it's just that. Since हम लोग makeup के बारे में बात कर ही रहे हैं, after which I want to talk about my beauty blender. This is from the house of PAC, and I think it's time for me to throw this because मेरे पास ना ये पिछले 4 सालों से है, and just because it's black in color इतना समझ में आ नहीं रहा है, but भाई I'm pretty sure इसमें molds आ गए होंगे. And even in terms of wear and tear, I don't know if you can see, बहुत हल्का सा wear and tear हुआ है. So that is what I appreciate when you invest into high-end makeup sponges. They last you so long. That's something I really appreciate. वो सस्ते वाले एक तो product absorb ज़्यादा करते हैं, ऊपर से फट जाते हैं, and it's just not a good look. But this is a vibe. So yeah, if you're into market and looking out for a really nice makeup beauty sponge, I either love the Real Techniques one. Oh my god, absolutely love it. Or the PAC one for sure. You get in a set of 2 along with a pouch to carry it, which I think is amazing. Since we are on to makeup empties, I want to carry forward and talk to you about these babies right here. Oh my god, 2020 yaar, I think even 2018 mein everybody and their mothers were talking about these. It's from the house of Nicka K, and these are the liquid eyeshadows. I know Swiss Beauty came up with this first, but after that all of these indie brands started doing it, and I was obsessed. I mean, clearly, I think they have around 8 shades and I wanted to get them all, and thank god I did it. That these crease like left, right and center. And these products are for nobody. Like literally they make your eyelids feel so heavy. पता नहीं 250 किलो का किसी ने डंबल रखा है वाला फील आ रहा है, and I'm not even exaggerating. I struggle trying to open my eyes because of how heavy and uncomfortable it feels on my eyes. That is, the consistency on these is so uneven. One is too creamy, one is too creasy, and the other one just doesn't show up. And I'm like, because it's too watery. So I'm like, can you decide which category of a red flag you want to be? I don't know if these are still in market. I think they still are. And if you see them, run away friend, run away. ये वाला empty ना अभी तक किसी ने नहीं किया होगा, and I'm pretty sure I'm the first because I have to be. The dedication that it took me to finish this. Yes, this. If you didn't guess this already, it's from the house of Huda Beauty, and this is their 4 filter foundation. Normal foundation होता है 30 ml, but Huda का 35 ml, which means it takes even longer to finish. And because this is a full coverage red carpet foundation, it takes very little of this product for you to apply all over your face and just feel that glam. And boy, did I finish this. I am so freaking impressed. I was like, कुछ आ तो नहीं गया. But yeah, कुछ नहीं है guys, कुछ नहीं है, बस आवाज आ रहा है product से. And I'm so happy that I finally was able to finish this. I am proud of me, and this is in the shade 350G, in case if you were wondering. And this was one of the best foundation. If you are dry skin, just apply a good moisturizer. But it's one of those foundations that I've used for my convocation, my friend's wedding, my friend's Sangeet, my everything important that happened to my life, my loved and dear ones' lives. I have used it. I've used it on all of my birthdays so far because it's just one of those foundations that will not do you dirty. पानी हो, सर्दी हो, गर्मी हो, कुछ भी हो, आप रात को इसको लगा के सो भी जाओ, जो मैं yeah, guilty. It stays guys, it really stays. Like that red flag that you thought will stick around, it does you even better. It's too good to be true products, and if you haven't tried this, please try this, because I know it's an old launch, but it's one of those foundations that's never gonna go out of fashion. You know, this is just a very classic product, and I am honestly thinking whether or not do I want to buy this, or you know, should I try something else. I'm on the fence, but I think if I just want to feel old school and just get a product that hits home to me, I will definitely consider repurchasing this. You know, when I told you that I don't want to cheat on my Wish Care product, well, that was a lie. I did try cheating with this product right here. It's from the house of Blushlin, and it's the hair growth serum essence. And for no rhyme or reason, I thought that this is similar to this, and this was half the price as this. So why should I get this when I can get this? First of all, this doesn't have all of the ingredients that this has. Okay, I mean that is the essential reason why you're buying the product, right? For the ingredients. इसमें वो सारे हैं नहीं. And then it was also sasta, and I wanted to be this influenza, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna totally try different things and come up with the revolutionary product that, guys, इसका सस्ता version मिल गया. नहीं, इससे जो 4 बाल आए थे ना, ये 8 लेके चला गया. I don't know what the deal is with this product. Every time I used it, I wish I was exaggerating. Every time I used it, it made my hair greasy and oily. But I thought, no, I am using a heavy hand. I didn't do it better. But every time I comb my hair, it took my hair away. And I was like, aren't you the one product that is supposed to regrow my hair and not take away the hair that I've regrown with better products and good things around me? But yeah, and I really tried to like this, I really pushed myself to like this. And कभी कभी मेरे घर पे क्या होता है, अगर मैं कुछ यूज़ नहीं करती तो मैं डैड को देती हूँ, मम्मा को देती हूँ. तो मैंने ये डैड को दिया. And I was like, Dad, I've got this product and I think it doesn't suit me, but I think it'll be great for you. Bichara, he also tried this because of me, and let's say I'm glad I have a roof on my head. And I'm glad I noticed that my dad was having a hair fall with this, and I was like, Dad, yeah, give me back, I need this for a video. And I never gave it back to him. So sweet dad did not realize it was this that was causing him hair fall. But that was very close to losing this house for me. But yeah, if you see this on the internet, especially on Amazon, run away. Another similar story. So I love this. First of all, I mean, come on guys, इसमें मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. ये Laneige का lip sleeping mask है, and everybody loves this. ये आपको 5 रुपए का मिलता है, but ये आपको साल भर चलता है. तो आपको इसका वो बड़ा डब्बा भी लेने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can easily use this, and it's beautiful. It heals your lips. It just takes care of your lips and makes it feel and look very plump and cloudy and delicious. I thought I can be that one influencer that can find a dupe for this, and I went ahead with this. Just because coloring भी same था ना, तो मुझे लगा मतलब होगा ही. And clearly this is from the house of Dot & Key, and this is their lip plumping mask with vitamin C. So I was like, wow, like so cool. No, I don't know if you can see, you can't, but the product, I mean, इसको मैंने use ही नहीं किया. For some reason, this would dry out my lips like no other. Like, I was like, the mere reason I'm using you is not just for the tint that you get, which I'm sorry, but what is this obnoxious shade? This feels like मैंने सड़क का कोई काला खट्टा गोला खाया है, and that's not the vibe I want to go for when I'm going for meetings. I don't want to look like I've had kala khatta or I had a pan on a tapri. No, I have my moments when I want to do all of those things in the comfort of my friend circle, but not in professional settings. Oh, and this lip mask, hey Prabhu, hey Parameswar, itna greasy, itna slippery, but at the same time not doing anything. So I'm like, what is the point? And I really pushed myself to like this, but I physically could not. So I did not. So yeah, this is one of the products I regret buying, and I recommend you to stay away. After which we have another product, which is from the house of Swiss Beauty. This is their BB cream. Again, ये मेरे वो, I'm going to be that one trying to find, वो अलग मुझे चर्बी आती है कभी-कभी, तो मैंने ये खरीदा. And it's safe to say this product is, first of all, what is this shade? And this is shade 03. This is 03. This, oh, which, we can be sitting here all along and it would still not blend. Hi guys. चाय पिया, खाना खाया, नहीं खाया, खा लो, क्योंकि इसको blend करने तक तो हो जाएगा आपका. मतलब ये क्या है और ये क्यों है? And I don't know, I didn't expect Swiss Beauty to do us this dirty. I mean, this is horrible, like horrible. It doesn't get blended. It's so patchy, and मतलब ये Shiny Pearl Water Drop Blemish Balm. Please, are you kidding me? Do you remember this? Of course you do. This is a very classic 2022 throwback. Wow. Let me do that again. Well, while we're on the subject of lip balms, how can I let go of this one right here? Do you remember your 2022 wish list? I know this was there. This is the Macaroon Lip Crush by by Nykaa, and I literally purely got it for its packaging, which was very cute, very fun, and I got the vanilla variant because I thought, oh my god, nice. First of all, it's expired, and second of all, it is so waxy. मतलब मैं इसको बाल में लगाऊँ, इसको लिप्स पे लगाऊँ, मतलब क्या? क्यों और क्या? Like it doesn't heal, it doesn't moisturize, it is just a greasy balm on my lips that doesn't do anything. After which I have one more mascara that I actually finished that I totally forgot about. It's from the house of Swiss Beauty. Now Swiss Beauty, why are you doing this to me, girl? Because this is their precision mascara. This is what the wand looks like. Yeah, what is that consistency? What is that? It is so bad that it does not do anything, which sometimes I feel is a good thing. But then I'm like, really? Is that a good thing? Because like it doesn't do anything. थोड़ा कुछ तो कर ले मेरे आँखों को, apart from making it black. You deserve better. Don't use this. Doesn't do anything. A total waste of money. After which I have the most viral product, which was, the Foxtail Overnight Glow Serum Mask, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love this. I did not even know that I ran out of this. I love the packaging, love the product, love the ingredients. It genuinely is like an overnight facial, and I would 100% buy this. Every time I had like a big event or my birthday, which is not less than any event for me, I would use this the night before and just have this on my face. It's a very light, thin, gel-like consistency, which is in a serum format, and oh my god, it did not irritate my skin. Guys, it did me good. So yeah, I really liked this, and if you're in the market looking out for a nice mini overnight facial, consider this. After which we have more makeup empties, and to start off with, I am so proud that I could finish the Inside HD Concealer. This is in the shade 20 and I absolutely loved it. It is such a good concealer, so good, and especially this shade, it is bomb. It has that perfect yellow undertone and that peach undertone, which works beautifully. So on days when I don't want to put any foundation, I just pop this underneath my eyes and just all over my face wherever I have pigmentation, and this takes care of it, good care of it. And it's long lasting, it's HD, it blends beautifully, it doesn't crease, it is affordable. This can easily beat any high-end luxury concealer. So I'm telling you guys, get this. That I honestly want you to stay away from and save your money. Cuffs and Lashes Compact. Now, as an indie brand, as an Indian influencer, I really wanted to support the company and, you know, try out their makeup. But somehow, I mean, yes, I have definitely hit pan on this. But the problem is, I don't like this. And can you hear that, or is it just me? And the problem is, this thing is so chalky, so powdery, and it does not add any coverage whatsoever. And I'm just like, you, my friend, are defeating the purpose. And well, just like that, it's a wrap up for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my Instagram. The links are down below. And hum milenge bahut jald. Until then, bye.